Good morning, guys. I'm here to play with my art journal pages again for a little while. I've got a few that need some more layers. And this one kind of needs finished up, but I think I'll leave that for another day. One of the things that I've noticed that I was noticing when I was looking at things yesterday, I'm getting most of the pages that I had started with different layers finished. So I need to start a few more pages, and so I think what I'm going to do is do a little start on a couple of pages just with some paint so that I can take them to the next level tomorrow, and then maybe I'll go in and see about working on this, a couple of these. So first thing is paint, and you can apply paint with a brush, with a credit card, with a roller. It really is whatever you have fun applying paint with. It's not a it's not a layer that is so worrisome that we can't just play. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to get some paint down. I'm going to shut the sound off, and I'll be back just so I can speed up the video later, and I'll talk to you in a bit. Okay, everybody. Today's going to have to be sort of a short day. I just have a bunch of things to do. So I'm just back. I wanted to go over what I did. If you can barely see the gold on here. My concern is when I go to layer in the next layer, I may lose the gold, but we'll find out, and that's okay too. I'm not going to worry over it. I like it right now, and I possibly won't do a lot to this one other than add my little verse or saying. So there's that one. And I just added a layer of bubble wrap paint and circles to this one. And that's the same thing I did to this one. This one's a little further along. It needs some paint over it again. And then I just started a few with some basic paint layers that we can go from there the next time. So anyways, thanks for coming. Thanks for watching my video. Oh, I guess let's put this one back. This one's prettiest. I hope you enjoyed the videos. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Now go and have a great afternoon and have fun and go make some art.